Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know that transferring USDT on Binance is a must-know skill, especially in 2025 when things are getting even more fast-paced. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it perfect for quick and secure transfers without the volatility of other cryptos. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this confidently in just a few minutes. First off, make sure you have a verified Binance account. If you don't, pause this video, head to Binance.com, and sign up. It's straightforward and essential for security. Once you're logged in, let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Binance app or website and log in using your credentials. Remember to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for extra protection. It's a game changer in 2025's crypto landscape. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. You can find this in the main menu at the top of the page or in the app's sidebar. This is where all your assets are managed. Step 3. Locate USDT in your wallet. It might be under Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, depending on where you hold it. Click on USDT to select it. Step 4. Choose the Withdraw or Transfer option. If you're sending USDT to another wallet, go with Withdraw. You'll see a form pop up asking for details. Step 5. Enter the recipient's wallet address. Double check this. Typos can lead to permanent losses. Make sure it's a compatible network, like Tron or Ethereum, as specified. Step 6. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Binance will show you the network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Step 7. Review everything carefully. Check the address, amount, and fees one last time, then hit Confirm. You'll need to verify via 2FA or email. Step 8. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation email and see the updated balance. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT on Binance in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for storage and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.